Golden rules of good data management is to uniquely identify each document generated from the design, including the revision. And Altium Designer has some specific special strings you can use to make certain that confusion and doubt are eliminated from documented outputs. To make the most of these, you need to be working with a version control system, or VCS, and also releasing your data into a vault. I'm using Subversion for my VCS repository, configured in Preferences here. Setting up a Subversion server and repository is a topic for another day, but it's pretty easy. I have a design I'm already working on. You may have seen it in the last design secret video, and this one is now in the Subversion repository as shown by these status icons in the projects panel. To keep a record of the revision of a document on the schematic, I can place a special string in or near the title block, which always refers to the current version control revision referenced from the Subversion repository. This is a regular text string, but I'll start it with an equals sign. Immediately, a list of available project, document, and system level parameters becomes available to choose from. For the version control revision, I'll use equals version control underscore rev number. Whenever you generate a printed or PDF version of the schematic, this will resolve to show the revision number at that time, so you have complete traceability. And you can enable convert special strings in Preferences to show the resolved value as you work. When the time comes to formally release your design into the vault, there are also a few more system-level special strings reserved for marking the document with the target item name, revision, and other combinations of these. Likewise, there are special strings for identifying the project name, variant, and PCB project configuration. Since I'm now working in a fully managed design flow, including version control and vaults, it makes sense to build these document identifiers into every standard schematic or PCB that I create. So I'll go ahead and create schematic and PCB templates where these strings are incorporated into the title block. I'll set the new templates to be used for all new documents by default in the Preferences, so new designs will automatically incorporate these identifiers. And for the existing design, I'll update it to use the new template also. After this design has been released into the vault, whenever I open a document that was generated as part of this release, or send the PCB fabrication and assembly data to the manufacturers, each output is marked with the correct, unique item name, revision, project, configuration, and variant, so there's no confusion or doubt about which item this data came from.